Merry Christmas, guys! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas to you! Merry Christmas, guys! Let's get into this video. I know you guys already know that vitamin C is the GOAT when it comes to brightening effects, photo aging, boosting collagen production. I mean, I could go on, but you guys already get the gist. But if you want to know how vitamin C can go from basic needs to like square root of 64, 8, you might want to like this video, subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can use vitamin C you can get it to do what you want it to do, okay? I know that a lot of us use vitamin C for all the reasons I talked about earlier, but if you want more specific uses of vitamin C, you might want to make sure that it's being combined with these ingredients I'm going to be talking about today. So we're going to be talking about 3 different categories on how you can use vitamin C optimally to meet your unique needs, okay? So the first one is anti-aging. So if you're a little older and you feel like, you know, I've been using vitamin C for X amount of time, I'm ready for it to help out with my fine lines or whatever else that you might be experiencing as you get older, you definitely want to look into combining vitamin C with ceramides to help with anti-aging. And I'm going to tell you guys what products there are out there that have all these ingredients in them, so I got y'all, don't worry. Secondly, if you want to increase the brightening effects of vitamin C, like take it from, like I said, basic to really get it to really brightening, you want to make sure that it's being combined with ingredients like glutathione and arbutin. This will also just enhance your overall skin health as well. Thirdly, if you want to increase the potency of vitamin C and also help it assist with hyperpigmentation, I always say vitamin C does not help with hyperpigmentation. It can assist whatever else you're using for hyperpigmentation, but it doesn't help treat hyperpigmentation. But if you want to increase its potency, you want to make sure it's being combined with ferulic acid and other antioxidants like vitamin E, because these will really help increase the potency level as well as keep it more stabilized. Because you guys know vitamin C just want to do its own thing. It doesn't want to be stable. It can't be in a relationship with vitamin C. She's not going to be committed, okay? So you want to make sure it's being combined with ingredients that will keep it stable. First, let's talk about anti-aging benefits and combining vitamin C with ceramides. Now, the first product I'm going to talk about in this category is CeraVe's 10% Skin Renewing Vitamin C. Now, this one contains the 10% vitamin C, which is amazing because it's not going to irritate the skin, especially if you're older. It also has the 3 essential ceramides that are actually found in the skin naturally. It has ceramide NP, EOP, and AP. This product containing these 3 essential ceramides will really help boost the skin's barrier. It will help nourish the skin's barrier, especially if you're noticing a lot more dryness. As we get older, our skin does lose elasticity. So getting a vitamin C that not only brightens but also helps ensure our skin barrier is top notch. Listen, you're on your way, okay? You're well on your way. I also like the Bliss Bright Idea Serum. This one also has tripeptides in it, which will help boost collagen in the skin to help with elasticity. It also has squalane, which will really help sealing that moisture, protecting the skin barrier. Now, these 2 I also really like. I like the OAM by Sierra's 20% vitamin C. Now, this one is higher on that scale, so if you can't tolerate that much, definitely do not get this one. And also Rock 20% vitamin C. These 2 are obviously for people who can tolerate higher levels of vitamin C. These 2 also have peptides and other forms of vitamin C that will really help boost collagen levels as well as increase antioxidant properties. Number 2, if your goal is to increase the brightening properties of vitamin C, you definitely want to combine with things like glutathione and arbutin or other brightening ingredients. Some products I love in this category is SERUMS Vitamin C Complex Serum. This one has vitamin C and glutathione to increase brightness in the skin. If you're in a budget, the ordinary is 8% ascorbic acid plus arbutin is a great one. Arbutin is actually a plant-derived version of hydroquinone. And last but not least for this category is Pharmacy's Vitamin C Serum. This one has 10% vitamin C, 1% arbutin, and 1% ferulic acid. So it's a complex compound of different ingredients that will really help with brightening. And speaking of ferulic acid, this leads us to our last and final category. Increased potency / assisting with improving your hyperpigmentation. Now, ferulic acid is a wonderful antioxidant that helps actually stabilize vitamin C. Like I said, vitamin C is not fully stable, especially when it comes in its purest form, L-ascorbic acid. Other forms like tetrahexadecyl ascorbate or sodium ascorbate or magnesium ascorbate, those ones are a little bit more stabilized, although not as effective. But when it comes in this pure form, you definitely want it stabilized. So ferulic acid is really great at doing that. It also boosts the antioxidant powers of vitamin C and increases its ability to prevent oxidation. Some products I love in this category is Dermatica's 15% vitamin C plus ferulic acid, and the Geek and Gorgeous C Glow, which has 15% vitamin C plus ferulic acid. People say this is a dupe for the SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic. I don't ever say dupe on my channel because you guys already know there's so many nuances when it comes to formulation. No two products are ever the same. There's so many different factors that come into making a product. So I would say this is a great alternative because so many products, including SkinCeuticals, has different pathways to which they arrived at their vitamin C. And I'm pretty sure theirs has a patented ingredient as well. So yeah, here's all the products that you should consider if you're thinking about taking your vitamin C to the next level. These ingredients are in these formulations because they will boost the properties of vitamin C. Vitamin C in and of itself is a wonderful, amazing ingredient, and we all love it on this page. I personally, right now, I'm using copper peptides, which can't wait to review. I talked about it in a different video up here, so you might want to check that out, but I can't wait to tell you guys a report back on my experience with copper peptides. So I'm laying off vitamin C for right now, but when I'm back on it, I'm definitely checking one of these products out for sure. Let me know which category you fall into. You fall into anti-aging, brightening, or increased potency of vitamin C. Which category are you thinking about that you want to invest in as far as like boosting your vitamin C properties? Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked the video, make sure to like the video, subscribe, join the family. We're here every week talking about all things beauty, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
It's not for me to say.